Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change name on TikTok before 7 days. So guys, if you have changed your name on TikTok but you are unable to change it before 7 days, here I will show you how can you change your name before 7 days or whether you can do this or not. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now open your TikTok and then tap on your profile, then tap on edit button and then tap on name, and from here you can see you can change your name after 7 days if you change your name for one time. So guys, you can read the instructions that says your name can only be changed once every 7 days. So guys, this is the way to change the name, and if you want to change before 7 days then you have to simply go back and then you have to tap on your three lines button in the settings and then tap on settings and privacy and then scroll it below all the way, and from here go to help center and then tap on report a problem, and from here tap on need more help from here, and from here you have to simply tap on account, and from here in this box you have to simply talk to the TikTok support team, and then you have to simply make a request to the TikTok team so that they could give you a chance to change your profile name on TikTok before 7 days. So guys, you have to simply make a request to the TikTok support team and hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you and they will give you a chance to change your TikTok name before 7 days. So guys, this is the way to change the name on TikTok before 7 days. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.